So obviously with a CNC plasma cutter, you have to cut out the insides of the letter first so that they fall out to the ground, and then you can cut out the outsides. Take a step back and look at this whole machine in the works here. You can see the paper kind of moving around a little bit. That's why we have that little bit of a inconsistency there. And that's it.